My name is Disa Hital, Ashramik Vidyalaya, Killa, Padi. Subject GK, Standard 7. Section 2, Literature. Pen pictures of African writers in English. यहाँ पे 24 पिक्चर्स है. वो कौन से राइटर्स है? African writers. Chinua Achebe, one of the finest writers in the English language. Achebe is Nigerian novelist. He is writing on traditional literature and happening in the society around him. He believes any good story, any good novel should have a message, should have a purpose. His most famous work is novel Things Fall Apart. ये जो राइटर्स है उसकी जो फेमस नॉवल है एनी गुड स्टोरीज़ है, एनी गुड नॉवेल्स है, शुड हैव मैसेज कि जो हमें कुछ ना कुछ मैसेज देकर जाती है. और उसकी फेमस जो नॉवल है कौन सी है? थिंग्स फॉल अ पार्ट. सेकंड राइटर्स है बेन ऑक्री, another top writer. Ben Okri, another top writer of the world that Nigeria has produced is Booker Prize 1991 winner Ben Okri for the famous Drought, a novelist mainly. He has also written poems and essays and also authored a play in Exclusive. He was awarded an in 2001. M. Coetzee. Coetzee is from South Africa. He moved to England in 60s working as a computer programmer. Later he studied literature in USA and taught there too. He went on to win the Booker Prize in 1983. Life and Times of Michael K. In 1999, he repeated his feat with disgrace. His main concern is South Africa's system, which he feels can happen anywhere. In 2003, he won the Nobel Prize for Literature. Some Indian writers in English. Anita Desai, born of German mother and Bengali father. Anita Desai was educated in Delhi. Her works include short stories, children's stories and novels. Her novels Clear Light of Day 1980 and In Custody 1984 were shortlisted for the Booker Prize. Her novel The Village by the Sea 1982 won the Guardian Award for Children's Fiction. Champaz Lahiri, she is London born in Indian origin. She won the Pulitzer Prize in 2000 for her first book, a collection of short stories, The Interpreter, Melodies, Stories of Bengal, Boston and Beyond. Though an Indian, she resides in the USA and probably the first writer with an Indian background to win this prize. Salman Rushdie. He sought to fame with his Booker Prize winner Midnight's Children 1981. Iranian fundamentalist had pronounced a fatwa on him for his book Satanic Verses 1989. He is a Mumbai-born British writer of Indian origin. First question. Answer the following questions. The English Patient was an award-winning movie based on an award-winning novel of the same name. Who is the writer and what prize did it win? So first, Michael Ontaze and Booker Prize and Booker Prize. And second question, what is common between Aeschylus and Sophocles? Greek tragedy writers. Greek Greek tragedy writers.